Hello producers, it's Ozgun here and welcome to the channel. So this is gonna be a short but an important video. So guys, until now I was using YouTube memberships for my exclusive content and it's not going away, but now I'm just finally launching my own Patreon page. Because YouTube has some limitations. The interface is quite restricted, communication options are limited, and honestly YouTube takes a big cut from the income. So Patreon gives me something that YouTube simply can't, which is direct communication. You know, better DMs, better organization, and much more like focused environment. You can think like that it's gonna be like more like an inner circle. So let me be very clear about this. Nothing is gonna change on the content I deliver for the YouTube members, but I'm just gonna mirror whatever I post to the YouTube members to my Patreon page as well. So nobody's going to lose access to anything. Same project walkthroughs, same exclusive videos, you know, same Discord access, same value. The difference in Patreon, we can do more one-on-one. You know, more direct feedback, more interaction with each other. So what you get in Patreon, this is again same as YouTube memberships. Depending on your tier, you'll be able to access my members area in my Discord server, which gives you priority for the feedback streams, FL Studio project files that I make start to finish in my videos. I'm also posting that FL piece, and also you will be able to watch the members only walkthroughs of my releases, honest detailed feedback, couple rounds until we're both satisfied with the track, and even one-on-one Zoom call. So I won't go details in here, you can check them all in my Patreon page. So if you are serious about finishing more tracks, improving faster, or get honest feedback, just check the link in the description and in the first comment so you can learn more about my Patreon page. And again guys, thanks for the support, and I'm really excited to work more closely with some of you. So see you inside guys, peace, bye bye.